Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my Viking 13-piece cookware set, and it's 3-ply copper clad. So now I'll show you all the pots and pans. My husband bought this set for me for Christmas, and it's the Viking 3-ply copper cookware. So now I'll open up the box and show you the cookware. So here's the warranty, the use and care and guidelines. It has the nice vent. It says Viking right on the cover. Nice handle. So all the colors are the same. The vent, Viking. All individually wrapped. Wow. This is a nice frying pan, and it has the quarts and the liters right in the pan. This is a beautiful frying pan. Has the Viking emblem right on the handle. Wow, this is a pretty frying pan. Same thing with this one. And you can also measure in this saucepan as well. Well packed too. Nice strainer. The strainer fits right inside this pan. And it has the measuring in this as well. All the pans have this, the quarts and the liters. Put the strainer right in. Nice small saute pan. Very pretty. Another cover. This is how this pan came wrapped. So I'll unwrap it. How nice. And this pan came like this, wrapped. I'll take the wrapping off. Beautiful. Very nice. I love these pots and pans. And the last pan. That's how it came wrapped. So I'll unwrap it. Beautiful copper pots and pans. So you can see how nice all these pots and pans are. This is beautiful. And it's a 13-piece set. I like all this inside the pots and pans. That's perfect. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me unbox my 13-piece cookware set that I received at Christmas time. And it is the Viking 3-ply copper clad. And it's beautiful. I can't wait to use them. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.